2. Hey everyone! So I am just a little bit late to the trend this year, or last year. Wait, no, I'm confusing myself. I have not filmed my what I got for Christmas video yet, and I've known that I'm going to film this. I just haven't really had the time. Well, I have had the time, but the time's been spent in bed. But yeah, also too, like, I know around Christmas time, subscription boxes are crammed full of these videos, so I thought maybe I could wait until the new year and film it then. There is a method to my laziness. I haven't been filming, and I've been getting a lot of messages on Instagram and stuff saying, are you coming back? Are you quitting YouTube? Blah, blah, blah. What's happening? I'm not quitting YouTube. My YouTube isn't my full-time career. I have a job on the side. It's not like a big job, but like YouTube isn't my source of income, so therefore it's never really something that I would just quit. Like, I would quit a job and move on. It's something I'm always going to sort of dibble in and out of, but my New Year's resolution, well, one of them is to get better at filming and be more consistent, because a lot of people actually message me and say like, oh, I miss you, please come back and stuff, and that's a really weird thought to me because I never actually really think about people watching my videos, just more so filming them and putting... Ew, I've got shit all over this top. And there's stuff all over the back of my hand because this eye makeup here took me about 2.5 hours. But anyway, I was so spoiled this Christmas, like you would not believe. I feel like the luckiest girl in the world. Honestly, I was not expecting half of these things. I feel so lucky, like so lucky, and I'm not doing this to brag. I'm not doing this to be like, look at how much everyone loves me and look how much stuff I've got. It's just fun. I love watching what I got for Christmas videos because, you know, when you go back to school or whatever, you always talk to your friends about what you got, and I would love to share some of the stuff I got with you. I'm not really going in any particular order here. I'm literally just picking up the things that are next to me. So this first present is from my nan, and it's this pair of jeans. They're like wide leg jeans, and they've got stripes sort of down the front, and then they're frayed at the bottom. I saw these jeans on the website Dolls Kill, and they're from Ragged Priest. Yeah, the Ragged Priest, that brand. I've never actually owned anything from them before, but I saw the jeans, I was like, ooh. I saw the jeans, absolutely fell in love with them, so I asked for them from my nan. But on the website it said like size up because they fit small, but I'm a bit stupid, so they had waist sizes on it, and I'm a 26-inch waist. Like, when I buy a pair of jeans or shorts or whatever, like usually they're from Topshop, I'll go for a 26-inch waist. So like when I'm looking through racks and stuff, I look at the 26-inch waist and it always fits, so I thought I'll order 26-inch waist. Order the 26-inch waist. They are freaking tiny, but I am at the gym like 3 times a week getting that Alexis Ren body, hopefully. A girl can try. So I'm not sending these back. I'm actually keeping them because by the summer I will fit into them. Mark my words. And these are good motivation actually to like kick my butt in the gym. Next couple of things I got are from Charlotte Tilbury. Well, I actually got a few things. My mum picked me up the Vintage Vamp palette, which basically is this one here. But I already have this, and then I saw it at home and I was like, oh, is this for Anna? And my mum was like, yeah, when it was actually for me, and I was like, oh good, because like I already have this. And then on Christmas Day she was like, that was actually for you, but we'll take it back and exchange it or whatever, or like spend the money on something else. But yeah, like kind of got this but kind of didn't because we're gonna take it back. Seriously, one of my favourite eyeshadow palettes though. I absolutely love this palette, it's gorgeous. From Charlotte Tilbury I also got the Golden Goddess palette. Obviously I have the Vintage Vamp, and this one is just more sort of brownie tones, these glittery shades. Ooh, oh my god, I haven't painted my nails again, please ignore that. These glittery shades in these palette are just... yeah. I then also got this lipstick, which is like my new favourite lipstick in the world. I'm wearing it right now, although my lips are so freaking small you probably can't even see it. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Super Cindy. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's literally the most gorgeous lipstick ever. I love it. I love the packaging. I love the colour. Like, I feel like it's so flattering. I feel like it actually kind of matches my eyes quite well because I've got like a peachy transition shade along the top of my cut crease. Also, let me know if you'd like more makeup tutorials like this, because I usually just do more like I say like way too much, my mum always tells me off. I usually do more subtle, smoky, blendable, wearable, blendable. Oh my god, I literally, no, can't talk, should go back to school. Next present is one of my absolute favourites. Literally though, they're all my favourites, so I'm going to say that about every single one, but one of my favourites. These, I always get a perfume for Christmas. It's kind of like, I don't know, I'll get a bottle for Christmas and then I get so flustered with thoughts that I can't get a single word out because I'll be halfway through a sentence, get too excited to say the next sentence and like won't finish the first one. Is anyone else like that? Anyway, I got this perfume from Victoria's Secret. It's the Love is Heavenly perfume, and I got the huge bottle, the 100ml one, along with the Love is Heavenly body lotion. This smells so good. Literally, I get so many compliments on this all the time. I love it. It lasts really long. I always spray perfume in the ends of my hair, and then the next morning, because I always sleep my hair up, next morning I take my hair down and it smells like the perfume, and I'm like, so delicious. I absolutely love this scent. Next, one of my actually like favourite presents. I feel like I'm not really like repping the style of clothing and yeah, clothing. I feel like I'm not really repping my usual style right now. I feel quite, because I wanted to do really like dramatic makeup, I chose like a turtleneck to keep the focus on the makeup, do you know what I mean? And I saw these glasses and these are not the best things you've ever seen. Literally, new drinking game, take a shot every time I touch my hair. Are these, or are these not, the waviest sunglasses you've ever seen? They're not even sunglasses, they're just, I feel like a colourblind priest when I wear them. I love it. Next thing I got was from my grandparents, and it's this belt. This is from Urban Outfitters. I really struggle finding belts that fit my waist size for some reason. I don't have like a tiny waist. As I said before, it's 26 inches, and I know lots of people have that waist, but lots of the time they don't go down small enough. So with these ones, you can like adjust it, and I thought it was cool. This means something French in Dutch, I think. I thought it was something French in French, but then Anna was like, no, it's Dutch, so I don't know, she's smarter than me. Okay, now this would probably have to be in like my top 3, maybe, if I can do it that. So a while ago I went to London to see my sister because she lives there, and we went into Urban Outfitters just shopping, and I saw the most beautiful Tommy Hilfiger underwear set, but I wasn't really willing to spend like £36 on a little piece of cotton bralette that isn't actually going to support the girls. I really wanted it, never stopped thinking about it, so I got it for Christmas. How beautiful is this? I loved the fact that it was the red and the blue. You can get 2 reds and like 2 blue booby triangles, but I liked the sort of colour block, and then I also got the matching underwear. I just love it. And is there anything nicer than wearing bougie underwear? I don't think so. I'm now going to really quickly go through a few of the things I got in my stocking. I'm not going to go through everything because it would literally, that sounds so cocky. First thing I got was this little coin purse from Jack Wills. I got a glitter from Barry M, some like hair texturizing powder, this gorgeous candle from a really nice company. It smells good. This is the first, I've got a funny story. Probably should not be sharing this on YouTube, but oh well. This is like the first time I'm actually like smelling these candles, because on Christmas Day I was so hungover, the smell of anything made me want to die. It wasn't my fault though, there's a really long story to it. My mum got me a couple of nail varnishes. I think this is actually hinting at the fact she hates my white nails. I always have my nails painted white. Obviously I got like chocolate and sweets and stuff like that. I also got another candle, but I don't know where that's gone. It might be on my side somewhere, I don't know, I can't really remember. It's been so hard running around trying to find everything and like piece it all together, so there's probably some stuff I forgot. So if like you've got me a gift and you're watching this and I've forgotten, I'm sorry, I haven't forgotten you, and I was really grateful for whatever it was. Oh yeah, and also like a lip gloss I got in the stocking. This is another one of my favourite presents, just because it's like very different and like very handy to have. It's this backpack from Urban Outfitters. It's once again like the Ie France. Oh, how would you pronounce it if it's Dutch? Did I say it was Dutch? I can't remember. I took it out to Oxford with my friends the other day, and it just means you can shove everything in it, put it on your back, and you got all your arms free to... Another thing I got was this top from Urban Outfitters. Oh, it's inside out. It looks like this. It's a really pretty like black cami top, and it's got 2 like dangly bits here which you actually tie in a knot. You don't just leave them dangling. It's so hard. I'm trying to not get out of focus right now. I don't have everything that was inside of this inside of it, but also from my grandparents I got this makeup box thing, but it's from Ted Baker, and it had like a body lotion inside of it. Oh, there are a couple of other bits from my stocking. I also got a couple of mini beauty blenders and Carmex, because Carmex is bae. It had like a body lotion in it, a body spray which is down there, but if I rock out of focus, and a body wash, but the body wash is currently in my bath. So yeah, I literally love it. It smells so good. Another one of my favourite presents, literally everything's my favourite present, I just need to stop saying that, is this gorgeous top once again from Urban Outfitters. It's super simple, but I just loved, oh that's really itchy. I loved the colour, and I liked sort of the like design around the neck. I just thought it was kind of cool and simple to be really easy to just chuck on. And why is this so itchy? Really easy to just chuck on and run out the house, which is kind of what I'm into. Then also from my grandparents, once again, as I said, I was so spoiled. I got this gorgeous top from Urban Outfitters. I love the colours in this, and I just thought it looked really cool, tucked into a pair of jeans, or I don't know, whatever. It's really soft, like really comfy material, and I like it. It's giving me like 80s mum vibes, or 90s. I don't know, but I like it. Then from my mum and my dad, I got all the things when I'm like, I got this and haven't said who from, be from my mum and my dad. I got this little silver bangle from the brand Craven and White. I think it was last year or the year before, I got this one, which is like a silver bracelet with Boss engraved onto the inside of it. And then I also got these two rings here. This top one with like, you probably won't be able to see, but the top one is from a shop called Olive in Cheltenham, and then the bottom one matches the Boss bracelet, is also from Craven and White, and I love these. I'm getting a lot more into jewellery. Something really exciting that I've wanted for quite a while now are heated rollers. So I got some heated rollers for Christmas. I haven't yet, to be honest, I haven't yet mastered them, but I know they're one of those things that I just need to practice and practice and practice, and hopefully my hair will come through. I'm not going to say one of my favourite presents again. This was from my sister, and this actually like has so much meaning to it. There's this song that I use in so many of my videos, and it's called like Resonance, or like, it's not Renaissance or Renaissance, but it's like I don't know how to pronounce it, and I feel really stupid right now. Anyway, but I originally found that song. I used it in my Florida video. If you want to go back and like know what song it is, I used it in my Florida video. But I found this Vine, and it was like of The Simpsons, like that classic scene of like Bart driving, and then the song was playing, and I was like, oh my god, I love that song so much, what is it? And so I did my research loads, and I managed to find it, and you know, I use that song so much like on my YouTube and stuff like that, because it doesn't have copyright, which is great. She found this like company on Instagram, and they were making this t-shirt, and so I opened it up, and I was like, oh my god, that's sick, like looks really cool from the front. I love like long sleeve t-shirts. That's the Vine the song was on. Literally, like, that was the scene of Bart driving that the song was on. And I looked at Anna, and I was like, did you do this intentionally? She was like, it's the Vine with this song. And literally, like, I was so shocked, because I don't know, it just means so much that she'd remember that and like see it and be like, oh my god, like, that's one of Flossie's favourite songs. So yeah, I love that t-shirt so much. There are only 20 of them, I think, too, made in the world. And last gift, but not least, I got some pyjamas, because my mum buys my sister and I pyjamas every year. So I got these pyjamas. I wore them on Christmas Day. They're from Jack Wills. They're super comfy. It's like a cream t-shirt, and this like material is just so unbelievably soft. It's gorgeous. And then the bottoms is so cute. They're like got the Jack Wills band at the top, and then they're just sort of a burgundy colour with white stars and sort of plaid check. As I said before, other people got me different things, but I would literally be here for so long if I included absolutely everything. But that is not to say that I am not grateful for the things I got, and also too, if I spoke about certain people who got me those gifts, kind of be going into my personal life, which I'm not ready for just quite yet. But yeah, I felt so unbelievably lucky this Christmas. I just honestly, like, I was around so many lovely people, and I just had the best time, like literally the best time. And it's the first year I've actually felt Christmassy for quite a long time. For like the last 3 or 4 years of my life, I haven't really been very happy, and I was in just not very nice situations with maybe like not very nice people, or like school or something, or just, you know, not feeling happy in myself. And this year is the first year where I've been genuinely happy. Like, the first half of it was maybe a little bit shitty, but like some sort of, I don't really know, like May onwards maybe, like sort of finishing GCSEs and stuff after, that's not May, but something else happened. Like sort of from summer onwards, I honestly, I can't believe how much my life has changed. I am a completely different, no, not today. I've just completely changed. I've met amazing people. I've got amazing friends. Like, you know, I've left really shitty people behind, and I'm thinking of filming a story time on this soon, because it's actually something that I feel like I could have really done with. And if I had watched a video talking about like toxic relationships and how to identify them and how to get out of them and how to like get over them, then I would have identified that some of the things I was in and I was going through were not right, and like actually damaging me a lot more than I knew they were. I want to say thank you so much to everyone who has been following me this year, who continues to watch my videos, follows me on my social medias, like comments, you know, even just watches the videos or like likes on Instagram. It honestly, like, it means so much. I've had so many, I just feel so grateful. I honestly, like, I could have Christmas with absolutely zero gifts but just be around the people I love and feel so fulfilled and so happy. This wasn't even meant to turn into a soppy chat, but I don't know, I just really want to say thank you, and I also just sort of want to highlight how much has changed this year and how it has been the best year of my life, and I can say it's been the best year of my life. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you got for Christmas in the comments below. Do give it a like if you did enjoy it, and subscribe if you fancy. As I said before, I'm really going to work on making better content more consistently, blah blah blah, etc etc. But yeah, thank you for sticking with me. I hope the beginning of your 2018 has been amazing, and I hope you had a lovely Christmas. I can't really think of what else to say. I've got all my social media stuff, like my Instagram, my Twitter. Twitter is where it goes down with the hangover tweets. I've got all that stuff in the description box below if you want to follow me on it. And yeah, I will see you all very soon. Bye. Bye. Okay, thumbnail time. I hate taking thumbnails.